Hello friends, I am Dr. Varun Kapoor and I am created this channel for our homeopathic friend and colleague. Due to busy schedule, हम रोज़ाना होम्योपैथी मेडिसिन को पढ़ ही नहीं पाते. That's why I am created this channel. Here I am discussing about some homeopathic medicine and rubrics also, which is in the short time period. My first medicine is Allium cepa. Allium cepa is the well-known drug for common cold, coryza, cough, neuritis, lacrimation, etc. In Kent, he says that it's the best medicine from all the phases of cold. It may be from larynx, it may be from trachea also, etc. Now, in ancient time, the onion is used for earache, sore throat. He binds the onion on ear and throat. So, the keynote of the medicine is coryza, common cold, sneezing, nasal polyp, lacrimation, neuritis, thread-like neuralgic pain. After amputation, there is a best medicine. There is also some more medicine, but it is one of the best medicine. In Kent says it is the best medicine for nasal polyp and chronic sneezings, where the acrid nasal discharge with bland lacrimation, like opposite to euphrasia. And then now in the physical journals in Allium cepa, the Allium cepa is a hot patient. Desire for raw onions, fruit, especially apple, aversion to meat, profound sleep, thirst is with great thirst, with dry tongue, like Brownia alba. The general modalities is aggravation from in evening and in warm room, and amelioration by cold air. But the cough, the aggravated by warm air, with sometime with the draft of cold air also. And the main symptom of the medicine is again earache, throat pain, abdominal colic, laryngitis, cold, sneezing, acrid coryza with bland lacrimation, neuritis, thread-like neuralgic pain, phlebitis. The main symptom of the Allium cepa is the life is burden to him, dreams of fight, water, disinclination to move. Now, this is the all about Allium cepa. Now comes on comparison. In coryza there are lots of medicine. Allium cepa, arsenic, euphrasia, nux vomica, iodum, tellurium, etc. In Allium cepa we know there is a acrid coryza with bland lacrimation, like opposite to euphrasia, which is acrid lacrimation with bland coryza. In nux vomica, coryza dry at night and fluent in daytime. In tellurium, coryza with lacrimation and hoarseness, ameliorated by staying in the open air. Iodum, coryza with stoppage of nose and increase in the open air. Now the next comparison in neuralgia. Allium cepa, arnica, hypericum, lachesis, dust stroke, so many. In Allium cepa, fine thread-like shooting pain, mostly after the operation or after amputation. Ammonium mure also there is a neuralgic pain after amputation. But in rust strokes, bad effects after getting feet wet or getting wet. So that's it. मैं इतनी लंबी वीडियो नहीं बनाना चाहता कि जिसमें आपको 10 मिनट्स 15 मिनट्स हम मेडिसिन को ही डिस्कस करते रहें. दैट इज़ द ओनली दो सिम्टम which is used in practice also. So thank you guys for seeing my video. If you like this, please tell me in the comment box and subscribe my channel, please.